Okay, that left arm of my cactus, there's somebody in there making a nest. Right there. It's got a red spot on its head. See the beak? There he is. I haven't got a good look at him yet. But he's cleaning stuff out of there. I see stuff getting thrown out. But I haven't gotten a good look at the whole bird. There he is. I did a little research, and this appears to be a male Gila woodpecker, I believe. They live in Saguaro cactus, they excavate, and they have a red spot on their head. Until I can see the whole bird, I can't be sure. Beautiful, look at that face. Oh, I'm in extreme zoom, so I'm trying real hard to hold still. Oh, beautiful. Look at his mask. If he would make a sound or come all the way out, I can tell. Gonna have some babies here later. Apparently they lay 2 clutches of eggs a year, 3 to 5 eggs, and they incubate for 14 days. That's a pretty good picture of that face. Look at that red spot. That's gorgeous. Look at that eye. These guys are really skittish. It's really hard to get a close video of them. Oh, don't go. All right. I am starting to lose my ability to hold this camera still. So I'll stop for now. Try to get another picture of its full body. Okay guys, I saw him come out of the hole and I heard him. And it is a male Gila woodpecker. I'm going to sit here for a little bit and see if we can catch him coming back. They are so skittish. I think he can see me through the window. In the morning, with the sun on the window, I think he probably wouldn't see anything but a reflection. But it's cloudy today, so he might see me. I'm just gonna video for a few minutes here. But yeah, definitely a male Gila woodpecker. Beautiful bird.